Shorty mini extension pole plus tripod setup for GoPros. It is 4.6 inches to 8.9 inches in extension. It says it is compatible with all Hero cameras max. Pull it out. Is that it? Really? A lot of packaging. This open. Okay, this is significantly cheaper than I was expecting. Got some height to it. This might be metal. The legs are definitely plastic and they only extend about that far. Not sure I need the extension in this case, but it could work, I guess. I was hoping this would come off, but it does not look like it. Hero 9 black with the tabs. It's easy as sliding it in there. Should be easy. Grip handle, which feels decent, and it does lock into place so they're not flying around. I'm trying to do vlogging. A little extension. It's probably not great for audio because you can get better audio if it's closer. So I'm not sure extension is needed. There's a good amount of tension on the shaft, so it's not going to fall down on accident, most likely, at least in its current new form. A lot of the weight, of course, is on that side, so you have to be careful. It is very top heavy, which is not cool. Another thing I can do real quick is try it with the media mod. So it does work. It's just a bit challenging to get that bolt in there. Get your full vlog setup going, and their special little tripod. At its minimum, it's pretty stable, but I wouldn't rely on the tripod legs for too much. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick overview on the GoPro Shorty mini extension pole plus tripod. Scott Photography Bonsai, thanks.